it's Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I do anything Disney. And today we're gonna do a quick room tour around the All Stars movie. What room number are we?
918.
918, third floor, Toy Story building. So we got Toy Story building, which we liked. We did a tour of like the whole resort, I guess. So you'll see that too. And then we are on the way out, so you're actually seeing the room used instead of clean. And then we can tell you like what we thought and things like that, because we lived in it. So let's get started. We stayed here how many days? 6?
5? 6?
5 nights, six. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and record. What is this? When is this happening? So over here we have our suitcases. That's not where they were, obviously, this whole time. There is a fridge, which was like really good.
Great.
We used it for like, I used it for coffee, and then we had Gatorades, waters. We did order it through Amazon. All of it came from Amazon Prime. And so they just delivered it when they delivered our bags. So that was kind of nice.
That was nice.
Here we have tea, and it's all Joffrey stuff. We didn't use any of it. Oh, there was sweet and low. Oh, well.
Just take it all out.
Ice bucket, we didn't use. Coffee, we
maker.
didn't use. We didn't use any of this.
We did use the shelves in this whole area as our landing space,
Yeah,
which is great.
This was snacks. So, like, anything we needed was here. Very nice, right? Like,
Yeah.
very useful. And then over here, Kitty put the 2 chairs. And over here. So that's where she kept her suitcase and, like,
Yeah.
her stuff. And then this guy, you can pull it down and it becomes a bed.
Mhm.
Just like the other hotel. Like, if you
Yeah.
didn't see my Art of Animation one, it's the same idea. It's the same thing. What do you think of the mattress? Because I know you said the mattress was weird the first night.
It's weird on the ends just because it like dives in a little bit more,
Okay.
but I mean it was just me on that bed, so I was in the center, so it didn't matter anyway.
Yeah, but the mattress here is different than my mattress.
Yeah.
100%.
This is the kids' mattress if you come with your kids.
Yeah, that's for the kids.
Yes.
And then it's an ankle biter. Oh my god, like the ends of it end
Yes.
late. So you have to be super careful. Like the room, again, it was good for both of us, like no issue.
No.
But I can't imagine like a big family.
No.
Over here is where we had our mess. Like anything was here at any given point. I don't like this drawer. That's something that's bothered me the whole
Because it
entire
doesn't
time.
match.
It doesn't
Yeah.
match. We think somebody broke it or it broke, and you just put a random drawer. But
Regular drawers, all great, useful.
yeah, nothing too special. I don't think we use this thing at all. It's the safe, an extra pillow, and the Bible.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, that's it. We
That would have
didn't,
been a good place for our shoes, though.
we didn't use any of
We just
it.
threw them down wherever. There are a lot of charging ports, though,
Yes.
which I will say, which is great.
I didn't even know there was one here.
Yeah, it's for the coffee maker. Then you have another one hidden back here, which I didn't realize.
Oh, I thought this was the one you used.
I was using, there's one down there, so I was using that one because I'm stupid.
That's
obviously.
great.
Yeah.
And then there's another one here and another one there. Like,
Yeah, so-
and another one there and there.
And then one right there and right there.
Yeah.
And they have the USB ports, which is fantastic.
Yeah, you'll never run out.
No.
Hooks we didn't use. This is where I kept my suitcases.
To block any strangers.
All the pillows in the world that you must want. It was
Yeah.
nice having this many pillows.
It was good.
But it was only, again, 2 of us. So each of us got like 3-4 pillows.
Yeah, buckle up.
And created a fort. The bathroom was alright. Kitty used this to like dry stuff.
I did.
And then I used this for my dirty clothes.
I did use the iron though, and
Oh.
the iron here, see look, it's beautiful.
She was obsessed.
It worked really well. I had like a $10 iron though, so obviously anything is an upgrade.
Yeah.
But yeah, it worked really well. I didn't like the ironing board.
No, I
It was a
didn't
little
like
too
this.
flimsy.
When we were both in the bathroom, like right now, we were a little bit crowded. Not a
Yeah.
lot crowded, but a little bit. And I kept bumping into this.
Yeah.
And so that's the only thing I didn't like about
I do like all of this shelving though,
Yeah.
'cause that worked really well.
Yeah, we moved. I mean, this was here, and then there was something else here, and something else there. But we just moved it and shoved it.
Yeah, and there's more shelving down
Yeah.
there, more here, a hair dryer, which we didn't use because humidity.
Yeah. So that part was nice. So the bathroom's nice. It's just it gets crowded.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then there is a full-size mirror here. Well, hello.
And folding door has a lock on it, 'cause I know some bathrooms don't.
That is nice. And there's double the doors. I will say, like, you can still hear, like, it's like the walls are super thin. Bathroom, everything was fine. No big
I didn't
deal.
like the tile
They
or
have
whatever
this.
on there only because like when I first showered you could see a lot of dust in the grooves.
Oh.
Which is kind of icky, but you know.
And then you have like, you know, your H2O with Disney product.
Twice?
Twice, like every other day room service would come. They would give us towels and clean the bathroom, and that's pretty much
this shows what they
it,
actually
right?
closed. They didn't fold our beds or anything.
So really, they would just come in, clean the bathrooms, change the towels, and the trash cans.
Yeah.
My a couple complaints is just I wish we had more trash cans.
Yes, or like a bigger trash can,
Yeah.
or even bags in the trash
When
can.
Being and I stayed, there was 5 trash cans.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
which was great because they didn't come often to pick them up. So like we had plenty of space. So I think that's like one of the only complaints. The other one is the walls are like we got woken up by a baby, like often. So that's kind of an issue. So the walls are very thin, and then the AC. Oh my God! To me,
it was loud. It sounded like somebody was living in there.
Yeah, or somebody was trying to open the door. Like at night, like when you're sleeping and you hear it, you're thinking somebody's trying to come in.
I also don't like the locks on the door because this one only goes to like right here, and I feel like it needs to go further.
That's interesting.
But it's getting stuck on here.
Yeah.
So if somebody tried to open it, it would go like this.
Oh.
But
Interesting.
I don't know. It just doesn't feel as secure.
Yeah, but I mean, overall it was fine. Other complaints is just bus. If you don't notice, the more valley you go, the farther you have to walk to get to your bus, and the less buses that come often.
Yes.
So sometimes you get out of the park, let's say 9, and you don't get home until 10 because the buses are just taking forever, and there's a lot of people. So that's kind of a complaint. We did try the food here at the resort. Don't get it. Even if you're desperate, don't get it. The cupcake was fine. Chicken tenders now.
The burger was okay. You just don't get it without the bacon because I feel like the bacon makes everything better.
Yeah, I would just like skip it. We did like getting shipped things through Amazon.
Yes, super handy.
Getting our bags in here was a little bit of a struggle. We did have to call. We had to wait. They were busy and they were like understaffed, I want to say.
Yeah.
We didn't use the pool or the gym or any of those facilities. But overall, good value. Just know that you're going to be walking a lot to the buses.
You get for what you paid for.
Pull real quick. It looks fun.
There's a running trail?
Yeah, did you not bring your running shoes? Just kidding, I did not. Look, it's Mickey.
Oh, it's like a Toy Story.
Okay.
Mighty Duck. That's a good one.
Where do you wanna? Because we don't have a room yet, so where would you want to stay
I
at?
want to stay at Mighty Duck, 101 Dalmatians, or Toy Story.
I want to stay at Toy Story or Cinema Hall.
Oh, can we actually stay here?
I think so.
Isn't that this one?
Oh, you're right. I don't like any of the other ones. Oh, maybe just here. So it's our Mickey.
That's true. Fantasia is always good.
Yeah. All right. Is this the only pool?
I think so.
Oh.
They're just good at taking my angle pictures.
I don't think I saw this movie that much.
101 Dalmatians?
Yeah.
Really?
Maybe once? I don't really remember it. I know the premise, right? Cruella de Vil likes their skin, their fur, for coats, so she collects them for that. But then there's 2 nice couples, love the dogs, or something. I don't know.
No, it's...
Oh, no.
Cruella. I can educate you about a movie, yeah. You have the mom dog and the dad dog.
Okay.
And then they were both owned by different people.
Okay.
And then they come together.
All right.
Because the dogs, and they fall in love. Both the dogs and the people. And then the dogs get it on and have 101 Dalmatians.
Dang.
But Cruella is the boss of
the guy.
her owner.
Oh, her. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So that's how Cruella knows that there's so many puppies. And it's like, man, that would make a damn good cook.
Oh, look at the puppy.
He's cute.
Oh, so that's them. Look, they're huge. Look, a dog seeing a cat.
They're going against their rivals.
Okay.
That's as far as I got.
It's cool. I think they did a really good job with the theming of this. I think I'd be more excited if it was like more recent movies, just because I'm a more recent movie person.
Donald Duck cute. Oh, look, it's the bathroom.
Oh, good to know. Look at these chairs for sleeping.
Interesting. I feel like this one's gonna have less children.
Yeah, I think so too. And the other one's in the entrance, so
Yeah.
more people will go there.
Oh, dressing room, perfect. Oh, do you?
Yeah, I just saw a little thingy. Oh, look at Goofy. I left my where's that called? GoPro in the other bag. This is cool too.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, this weather is surprisingly nice right now. Knock on wood, it stays like this.
Oh, look, and then they have little.
See, Fantasia's another one that I've never seen.
That was a musical.
Well, maybe a long time ago. Yeah, with all the colors and.
Yeah, I like that one. I don't think I've ever seen it fully through.
We had a VHS of it, and I would start watching it, and then I would stop it because it wasn't my jam. But I noticed a lot of popular characters and stuff from it.
Their demo on the screen.
Oh. See, it's the same pool. Yeah, I really don't. What is that from? What is it from?
I don't know, something older that I did not recognize.
The Nutcracker?
No.
What is this?
From the Great Laundry. Oh, love bug.
This is not bug?
Yeah.
Oh look, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Huey.
He's there.
I don't like this thing. I like the colors though.
I do like the colors too. I feel like that wall I would look good against.
Yes, it's really a nice one. Yeah, it is a Nutcracker. Oh, it's not Huey, Louie, and Dewey.
Oh, it's from Fantasia.
So at this point, I'd rather be at the Donald Duck, or what is it called?
Fantasia?
Fantasia. No. Yeah, Fantasia or your ducks. But that's it. Because right now I feel like there's not even a pool. There's no. This is cool though. It's like hurdles, you know? Just tragically fall. So you think you would rather have Herbie?
No.
See, this is the love bug. That's not the love bug. I think that's Nutcracker. I want to ask. I like the
on the
hearts.
list though. I was like, what the heck is this right here?
I think this is it. Right? This is the last one? Anything else? It's a nice shot. Millimeters?
Yeah, millimeters is tiny.
Do you think that's a measurement then?
No.
Or do you think it's just random numbers they pick? Because nothing is random with them.
That's true. I don't know.
Toy Story, that's the line we're missing.
Oh, yeah. My favorite one. That was my favorite one.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, that makes sense. I just thought
Oh, wait, no, it's not. Oh, that is, but this isn't. Interesting. Very interesting. I think that's the bar. This is a restaurant. What do you think this is? A place to sit and eat?
that. Oh, let's
Let's do it.
go. Outside eating? I let him look at
It looks already amazing, huh? I hope it just... Oh.
That's so they're not going to get on the campus.
Cute. Oh, it tells you which movies. What day are we? Sunday?
11. Oh, good one. Looks like that. You want Princess Diaries? I do love Onward.
Onward and... Ugh, Captain Marvel. This is cute though. This is good to know because then we can eat here. It's covered. Alright, let's go check out Toy Story. Do you like their creative thing with the staircases?
Yes, I actually really do.
Yeah, I like this one more. I like that the soldiers are all different. The soldiers are different, like they're doing different things.
It's gonna be great.
Are you ready to become a toy?
Yep. Look, we're the same size as them.
Andy's room, keep out. Watch me. What kind of toys are we if they're that big?
Soldiers?
Oh yeah, we're soldiers.
Oh, I can't fit on the hoodie.
This is so cool. Kitty taking selfies. This is really, really cool. They did such a good job with these resorts. I feel like the new resorts are more classy than this, you know? But this is better.
Oh, the single is not good.
Alright, I skipped 6 pictures. I'm trying to look at his box. Huh. Huh. Okay, I think we've seen the entire resort, and both Kitty and I agree Toy Story is where we both want to be at. So
yeah.
we'll see what we get. What's the one you don't want to be at? Herbie for me.
Yeah.
It has nothing going for it. I mean, it's cute and all, but nothing going for it. Ooh, another squirrel. Squirrel. Alright, to the store. I hope you liked the quick tour. Overall, it was easy to live in here, no big deal. And then packing was interesting this morning. And now we're moving on to Universal
Cabana Bay.
Cabana Bay. So don't forget to hit the bell so you can see that video whenever it comes out. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well. And until next time, adios.